start na tayo mag-solve ng mga problems sa basic concept ng Electrical Circuits 1. Sisigat tayo sa problems 1 and 2. Okay, so problem 1, how much charge is represented by 4,600 electrons? While sa problem 2, calculate the amount of charge represented by 4 million protons. So itong dalawang problem nito ay direct substitutions sila ng concept natin or ng conversion natin ng amount of electrons ng kung ilang charge meron sa isang electron and ilang charge meron sa isang proton. So proceed tayo sa number 1. So since tinatanong yung total charge, okay, represented by 4,600 electrons, we know that one electron is equal to negative 1.602 raised to negative 19 coulomb. Ayan. So, isa-substitute natin ngayon, or we will use this conversion factor to find the total charge represented by this amount of electrons. So Q, let's say Q total is we have 4,600 electrons, okay, multiplied by negative 1.602 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulomb, okay, 1 electrons. Ayan. So the charge represented by the amount of electron is negative 7.3692, okay, times 10 raised to negative 16 coulomb. Ayan. So this is our conversion factor and this is our final answer. Take note ha, at least 4 decimal places tayo. Okay, for problem number 2, dito naman sa problem number 2, ang tinatanong naman ay protons. Okay, ang charge ng isang proton ay same lang, but this is positive 1.602 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulomb. Okay, so the total charge, okay, represented by 4 million protons. 4 million is raised to 6 multiplied by, this is proton. Okay, 1 proton is equal to 1.602 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulomb. So total charge is equivalent to 6.408 times 10 raised to negative 13 coulomb. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple yung ating problems 1 and 2, direct substitution of the amount of charge meron sa protons and electrons. Okay, proceed tayo sa number 2. Okay, problem number 2. Okay, the total charge entering a terminal is given by Q equals 5t. Okay, Q is equal to 5t sine 4 pi t nanocoulomb. Calculate the current at t is equal to 0.5 seconds. So, ang required dito ay yung current, exact current, kasi nagbigay siya ng exact time frame. So, required is I, okay? The exact value of current at time equals 0.5 seconds. Ayan. Okay. Ngayon, ang given natin is Q, okay, as a function of time, represented by, okay, 5t sine 4 pi t. Okay. So, alam natin that we can get an equation since given is an equation of Q in terms of time, and then we know that I, okay, is the time rate of change of charge represented by dq over dt. Okay, if we use this formula, okay, we have makukuha natin yung equation ng ating current in terms of time. Okay? So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin is to substitute Q. Okay? And then, the operation is to differentiate and then makukuha natin yung equation ng current. Okay? So, yung makukuha nating sagot dito is not an exact value but an equation of current or current as a function of time. Ngayon, substitute natin yung ating time, which is 0.5 seconds, to get the exact value of the current of the system. Okay, ganun ang magiging atake natin dun sa problem natin. So, solve na natin yung 3. So, start tayo sa solution natin by differentiating Q using the equation of current. So, Q is equal to 5t sine 4 pi t. Okay, since we know that I is equal to dq over dt, so I is equivalent to the derivative. So, di-differentiate natin. Okay, 5t sine 4 pi t. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, ang dinidifferentiate natin ay product ng 5t, okay, product ng 5t at saka product kay sine 4 pi t. Okay, so represent natin. So let's say this is v, and then yung blue ay yung u natin. So from our formula, okay, recall natin yung ating formula. Okay, the derivative of uv, product formula, is u dv plus v du. Also, okay, meron tayong sign dito. The derivative of sine u, okay, para mamaya, madali na lang i-differentiate, is positive cosine u, tapos differentiate mo yung u. Okay, so, identify natin yung, ito muna tayo. Okay, identify natin what is u. U is 5t, and then ang derivative niyan ay 5 kasi derivative of 5t is 5 dt over dt, kaya 5, and yung ating v is sine 4 pi t. Okay, derivative niyan is cosine 4 pi t, and then i-differentiate din natin ulit yung u niya, which is 4 pi t. So 4 pi, constant kasi, 4 pi dt over dt, kaya 4 pi, or dv, oops, makita siguro to, dv is equal to 4 pi cosine 4 pi t. Ayan. So now, ang gagawin natin ay substitute lang natin do sa power formula. Okay, so I is equivalent to, ayan, u dv, so u is 5t multiplied by dv, which is 4 pi, okay, cosine 4 pi t, okay, plus v du. V is sine 4 pi t multiplied by du, which is 5. Yeah. Then we arrange the equation of current, or yung waveform ng current natin ito, 20 pi t, okay, cosine 4 pi t plus 5, okay, sine 4 pi t. So, ito yung current waveform natin, okay? At any instant, okay, kapag meron tayong given time, we can readily get the exact value of current, okay, by this equation. So, substitute lang natin yung time. So, 4. Since ang unknown ay yung current, exact value of current at time equals 0.5 second. Okay, so let's say this is equation 1, substitute to 1. So I is equivalent to 20 pi, okay, times 0.5, time kasi is 0.5, times cosine 4 pi times 0.5, okay, plus 5 sine, okay, 4 pi times 0.5. So, naka-radian nga lang yung ating, so ito yung angle natin ha, ang angle yung mga yan, that is in radian. So, 20 pi times 0.5, so I is equal to 10 pi, okay, cosine 4 pi times 0.5, so that is 2 pi plus 5, okay, sine 2 pi. So, itong mga to, this is Itong mga angle nating mga yan ay naka-radian. So, conversion natin for radian. So, 2 pi, multiply lang natin ng 180 degree over pi. Okay? So, that is equivalent to 360 degrees. Natin, so I is equal to 10 pi cosine 360 plus 5 sine 360. So, meron na tayong mga shortcut dyan sa mga yan. Basta tandaan nyo lang na kapag cosine 360, that is equivalent to, so kapag cosine 360, that is 1. Tapos ang sine 360, that is 0. That is 0. So, I is equal to 10 pi times 1, that is 10 pi, plus 5 times 0, that is 0. So, that is 10 pi. Current ang nahanap, millicoulomb ang given, so that is milliamp. So, what is 10 pi milliamp? That is 31.4159 milliamp. So, or, ayan. So, ito yung ating final answer. Yun yung hinahanap sa problem natin.